Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into the world of streaming with a step-by-step guide on how to install and use Philo on your FireStick. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing the FireStick home screen. First things first, ensure your FireStick is connected to your TV and powered on. From the home screen, navigate to the top menu and select Search using your FireStick remote. Step 2. Searching for Philo. Type Philo using the on-screen keyboard and select it from the suggestions below. Make sure to choose the correct app. Step 3. Installing Philo. Once you've found Philo in the search results, click on Download and wait for the app to install on your FireStick. This might take a moment depending on your internet speed. Step 4. Launching Philo. VoiceOver. After the installation is complete, click on Open to launch Philo for the first time. You may also find the app later in your Apps and Channels section. Step 5. Signing in to Philo. VoiceOver. Once the Philo app opens, you'll need to sign in with your Philo account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up directly through the app. Conclusion. And there you have it. Installing and using Philo on your FireStick is that easy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.